Dear viewers, welcome you all. Hope you are all good and with good spirit. Friends, in my previous video, I have committed that I will help you to grow academically as well as professionally. So in my presentation today, I will discuss about how to learn whatever you want to learn for your academic as well as professional development by sitting at home and as per your convenience. Friends, this video will help all the teachers, teacher trainees, as well as all individuals, all graduate, postgraduates, those who have thirst of knowledge and want to learn more and update themselves as per the need of the hour. Dear friends, now we are all stuck in our houses because of COVID-19 pandemic. Now we have more time in our hand, so we can utilize this time as well as other leisure time constructively. For that, I want to help and provide you by giving information related to the best online learning platform in India, that is SWAYAM. Friends, let's explore what it is and how can we utilize it. As you are able to see that I have written the best online learning platform in India, and that is SWAYAM. So friend, what actually SWAYAM stand for? SWAYAM stand for Study Webs of Active Learning for Young Aspiring Minds. Friend, this is a great initiative by Ministry of Human Resource Development of Government of India. The main objective of this initiative was to provide the best teaching learning resources to all the individual to bring equity and equality in our society. So friend, in this platform there are thousands of courses from class 9 to PG, that is post graduation. As I have told earlier, the main motto of this platform was to learn anywhere, anytime, and by anyone. In this portal, all the courses are free for the learner. Only for some courses, if you want to get any certificate, then before appearing in the final examination, you have to just provide that examination fee, that is maximum 1000 rupees. Beside this, there are no fees for any courses. By sitting at home, you can pursue any courses. So there are huge number of courses. As I told earlier, the courses are from language discipline, science, humanities, mathematics, commerce, engineering, management, education, library science, personality development, and many more. All the courses, friends, all the courses are approved and coordinated by the highest and apex bodies of Government of India, that is UGC, AICTE, NCERT, IGNOU, CEC, NPTEL, NITTR, and friends, you will be happy to hear that this platform, they have very good and user-friendly mobile app, so you can download the SWAYAM app from your Android as well as your Windows phone. If you explore it from your laptop or computer, then you have to go to that, you have to visit that website, that is www.swayam.gov.in. Friends, let's explore in their website what is there. Friends, as I told you that SWAYAM is the best online learning platform in India but because of less information, maximum of us are not getting advantage from this SWAYAM. So let's see. If you not type the exact website, you just type your SWAYAM, automatically it will come the website, that is swayam.gov.in. You have to just go to that portal directly. Then those who are the first user, so they have to register their name by clicking here, register. And all of you know that for registration you have to just mention your name, your username, you have to create one password, you have to provide your email ID for communication. So as I have one account, so I can explore in other way. So first you have to register your name here. Friends, as I told earlier, you see this is the website. All the national coordinators are AICT, UGC, IGNU, NPTEL, NIOS. So there is no worry. You can do any courses here. All are valid in India as well as in abroad too. So you can see when examination is coming on coming 29th, 30th September. Only final examination. For final examination, you have to go to any center. The examination usually conducted by the National Testing Agency. Beside this, you have to pursue your courses by sitting at home, and you have to just send your assignment through this portal only. So only final examination you have to appear. Beside this, uh, you have to explore, or you can pursue any courses by sitting at home and as per your convenience. Friends, you see in course catalog, you can see there are huge category and huge number of courses, from school to PG courses, from academic courses, professional courses, personality development courses, a refresher program for the teachers. So for school student to college going student, those who are completed their graduation, post graduation degree, those who are teaching in the colleges, university, they also can do various courses from here. So why we will not get benefit from it? We have, all of us have to register here, and we have to pursue courses as per our choice. So friends, if we take any one two example, it will be very helpful for all of you. Like if you see that the education department, law, humanities, arts, so if you take example from education, you can see, if you click education, there are all, or teacher education. If you take example teacher education, then you go there, and there will be huge number of courses. So you say there are huge courses: learning and teaching, pedagogy of science, accreditation for diploma engineering program, children with development challenge, action research in education and technology, accreditation of understanding engineering, DLED courses, designed for facilitation of e-learning courses. So there are a huge number of courses, and the commencement date of that course, enrollment ends date, everything is there. So you just go there and register your name and explore. By trial and error method also you can explore. If you take another example, friends, see there are other discipline also. If you take example from humanities and arts, they are also anthropology, arts, communication, economic, English, geography, history, humanities and social science, journalism, language. So there are huge number of courses. you can do whatever you want to do, and all the courses are valid. So mm, you just explore. Definitely, I am assuring you, you will get huge benefit out of it. If you go any courses, like you go geography or history, then in engineering courses, technology, law, you see, management, commerce, so you can really do wonder by using this government portal. So friends, I don't want to make my video very longer. So for today, uh, I I will end my presentation. I hope that it might had given you a few bits of insight about Swam platform, and it might encourage some of you to look for more knowledge regarding this. You can upgrade yourself by constructive use of this application, dear friend. So I just want to tell that as my beginning or commencement of my channel, I have told that I'll give you huge information related to your academic as well as professional development. So for that, you just subscribe my channel and share it with your friends, and I need your feedback, my dear friend. If you want to give your constructive suggestion, please put your comment in the comment box, and I'll try to give more information or update related to your development. Friends, not yet I have decided that in what language should I proceed for my channel. If you will suggest me in English, Hindi or Bengali uh, language I use for my presentation, that will help you. Then you just put your comment in the comment box. Your support is really very much needed for me. So with this, I end of my this video. Thank you.